Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A pH meter is designed to provide precise measurements, but over time you may notice readings that seem inconsistent, unstable, or completely different from what you expect. In many situations, the issue is not a major failure, but rather something related to calibration, probe condition, storage practices, or sample preparation. Even a high quality pH meter can produce inaccurate results if one of these areas is overlooked. Before replacing the device, it's worth performing a few simple checks that can often restore measurement accuracy. In this video, we'll go through several troubleshooting steps that may help your pH meter provide reliable readings again. Try these. Step 1. Clean the probe on the pH meter. Step 2. Calibrate the pH meter with fresh solutions. Step 3. Check the probe condition on the pH meter. Step 4. Rinse the pH meter between samples. Step 5. Verify battery power in the pH meter. Step 6. Test the pH meter with a known solution.